and they come off. Oh, look at that rock. See the rock?
Dad's taking a picture of us now.
We're not as tall.
Take a picture.
If I had that fall or not. I hope you don't.
That's pretty cool. We're gonna be going to more waterfalls. By the way, I was getting bored with it. I had to take pictures. Family. Going into like a little cave. There's like water dripping. It's pretty cool. Whoa! It goes further back than I thought it would. I'm going back. It's pretty slippery. Hope I don't fall. I had to drink the whole one too. See how guys at the waterfall. Alright, go now. Hack. We're here at the next waterfall. It's right over there. It's very little.
What is this, Dad?
Hello.
Dad, come here. What is this?
What? This is difficult. Just climbed up this. It's a lot steeper than you think. It's kind of wet. Oh. Just gonna. I jumped off of this. It's like a spot. We'd walk up here barefooted, and it was like a really, really far drop. This is just a far drop. I just don't want to knock my phone in the water because that would probably be the worst case scenario, but pretty far down. Probably nearly a 30-foot drop. I'm probably very off, but I think it's 25 or 30 foot. And which I've jumped off of something that was about 55, so that's my highest thing I've ever jumped. But we're now hiking back down because I just wanted to show y'all get near the waterfall, and I'll be right back once I'm close to the waterfall. Right here, we're at the waterfall. I think I climbed up this. Dad, did we not climb up this?
Yeah, make a donkey.
Yeah, we climbed it. It's a lot higher than it used to be, and it's a good bit colder. But I'm standing on this rock shelf, so that's why I'm not sucking into the waterfall. I just don't want to drop the phone. I had a selfie stick that I was gonna bring because the one I have at Christmas, is that Dirty Santa? Yeah. Which I thought that was really cool because it's probably the best gift, and I got number one, of course, because I'm just that lucky. Imagine these like lucky things. It's pretty cool. This is some. Whoa! About fell.
Let's go.
Wait, I gotta get some beautiful shots of this. Up there goes a leaf. Sorry, leaf, you did. Hey, relax.
Hey, bud.